Hey, what's happening, y'all? Dominoes 7's back again on with another video and stuff like that, you know. And you know what, y'all? I want to talk about Betty White. I really enjoy her on the Golden Girls and the Mary Tyler Moore show. I didn't realize that was her when I watched the Mary Tyler Moore show. Okay. And Betty White, I know you're watching this video from heaven. Happy 100th birthday. Okay. This video is going on all three of my channels: the Domino 866 channel, the Domino 7 channel, and the Domino 7 show channel. Okay. So it's going on all three of my channels. Okay. All right, so Betty White, you was wonderful. Okay, I mean, I even watched you on Jeopardy. Well, not exactly on Jeopardy. Okay, but honestly, I watched you in an episode of Golden Girls. You played as Rose Nyland. Okay, and you faced off against Dorothy and this other guy. And I mean, you were great though. I mean, you you stumped Dorothy, and guess what? I want to tell you, it was a runaway, with Dorothy. Dorothy could have won, Yep, I remember that episode. Yep, when Alex Trebek was there, Merv Griffin was there, and Johnny Olsen's voice was there. Yep, yes. All right, Mm-hmm. And I also would like to say that I enjoyed your match game with Gene Rayburn and Ross Schaefer, and I watched you on the game show marathon with Ricky Lake and John and Leslie Nielsen and the rest of them, Mm-hmm. Yep. I really enjoyed watching y'all after all these years. I wish you would have been on the match game with Michael Berger, the one in 1998 with Vicki Lawrence. She was on three match games. Ross Schaefer and Gene Rayburn. Gene Rayburn, rest in peace. Been gone for a long time. I ain't know you was deceased after all this time. I mean, you know something? I was so glad that you appeared on Match Game with Ross Schaefer. I never had a chance to watch it when it aired in 1990 because I ain't know nothing about that. I really didn't know. But in the Ross Schaefer version, you sat in Brett Summers' spot. Mm-hmm. Yep. And y'all was on Match Game together with Gene Rayburn. Yep. Especially with Charles Nelson Riley. Okay. Yes, indeed. I miss I miss watching you on TV. I watched you on Hot in Cleveland and Saturday Night Live. I think I saw you on there if I'm not mistaken. I mean, there's some episodes I seen you on. And I enjoyed every step of the way. And my favorite part on the Golden Girls when you say what is juicy fruit. I laughed. I really laughed at that. And when you call Blanche the B word, you know what I said? I say, oh my God, Rose Nyland, or should I say Betty White curse on NBC. Yep. I can't believe she cursed on NBC. NBC, come on to the best. Come home to the best. Only on NBC. NBC, the place to be. Yeah, I like that, NBC, the place to be, Yep. NBC is always the place to be. Come on to the best on NBC, Do your thing on NBC, Yes, indeed. I really enjoy watching you on television after all this time. I watched you on the Golden Palace as well, I thought that was an NBC show. But I never had a chance to watch it, but it was on CBS. But unfortunately, to my knowledge, that show didn't belong on CBS. I never had a chance to watch that but I watched it on Lifetime. The Golden Palace aired on Lifetime. Excuse me, the Golden Palace aired on Lifetime. When they're staying in the hotel or whatever. Hmm. Thank you for being a friend. Okay. Yep. Uh, uh, to you and your castmates, Sophia, Esther, Esther Getty, Rue McLean played Blanche, and B. Arthur that played Dorothy. Thank all y'all for being a friend. Y'all are TV friends, and we all enjoy watching y'all in our house. Okay, especially in the stores and everything. Mm-hmm. Watched it watched it in syndication on NBC. So I used to watch that every time I come home from school. Sometimes I watch the Disney afternoon. My mama loved the Golden Girls. That was her favorite show. That was her favorite show. I mean, I loved every bit of it. Come on to the best only on NBC. Okay. All right, thank y'all for watching, y'all, and Betty White and the rest of your cast members. Thank you for watching from heaven. Okay, happy 100th birthday. You would have been 100 today. Okay, and I'm very sorry that I didn't go to the parade honoring you. Because COVID is out. Because I could have went on Bourbon Street at that second line they had through for you. I know you was watching it from heaven. Okay, I knew you were. Okay, so all of us from the Domino Seven Show and this family, we love you, Betty White. Okay, may you rest in peace and happy 100th birthday. Happy first heavenly birthday in heaven. Okay, your first birthday in heaven. Happy 100th birthday and happy heavenly birthday. Okay, God bless you, Betty White. You are truly missed. We all miss you. Okay, God bless you.